So what's good, guys? It's Ree here, and yes, please hit that subscribe button and help me grow this channel. So without any kind of ado, do that. And yes, what we are doing here today is a revisit review of the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge in 2018. So actually, is it still all in 2018? So let's take a look. Actually, it was released in 2016 12th March and was a great deal, and I think it's still a great deal. It's got 4GB of RAM, 5.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a pixel resolution of 1440 into 2560. It's got Snapdragon 820 or exynos 8890 chip. It's got two storage variation, 32GB and 64GB. Now you know about the phone. So now, actually talking about the curvature nature of the display, it's actually good. Actually, people tell that it's so bad to use, it's terrible. I don't feel any issues like that. It's not good as the S8 or S8 Plus, but it's actually really good. And there's one more thing that I want to say to you guys, is that the camera and the display is so crisp. The color gamut is so nice. You can see the amount of bokeh you're getting from that photo, and that photo was completely shot with this, and the autofocusing in this system is as good as Canon's. And speaker, actually the speaker is not terrible or not bad like other YouTubers or tech reviewers say. It's actually completely usable. It's good, but not crisp as LG V30s or some other flagship. It's actually a good phone. So in 2017, telling about snappiness, it's snappy. It's released in Nougat, but it's now upgradable to maybe in Oreo. We might see in the future. So the crispiness in this is stunner. You can see the launching speed is great. The camera is great. Everything in this phone is great. I think I still prefer this over the Galaxy S8. If you are ready to give away the 18:9 aspect ratio and that fancy face scanner or iris scanner, this is the phone for you. So this is definitely a pukka option for those who are looking for a budget flagship, and I love using this phone. This phone is kind of no-brainer if you're on a budget. If you're looking for a used S7 Edge, just grab this one. I'm with you. So yes, trust me, guys. So that's hopefully it for this review. If you're on a budget, go buy it. It's my words. My name is Ree. I'll talk to you guys in my next video or soon. Please subscribe to my channel, so please let me grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace.